Hello and namaste, welcome to Nepstop.com. Today we will see how you can download the Nepstop app to your smartphone devices in a few simple steps. Okay, open up your smartphone or tablet. First, we will see for Android devices. For easy access to Nepstop.com, scan the QR code above with your phone's camera app or a QR scanner. Or you can open up your Chrome browser on your phone and search for nepstop.com, nepstop.com. After the Nepstop.com webpage loads, click the Install button below to install the Nepstop app on your device. After clicking Install, the Nepstop app will be downloaded to your device. It's that simple to download the Nepstop app to your Android devices. Now you can buy and sell wholesale products easily from your device through the Nepstop app. Now let's see how you can download the Nepstop app on iOS devices. For easy access to Nepstop.com, scan the QR code above with your phone's camera app or a QR scanner. Or you can open up your Safari browser on your iOS device and search for nepstop.com, nepstop.com. After the Nepstop.com page is loaded, scroll down and click on the Share button below. Then click on Add to Home Screen. Then click on the Add button on the top right. After clicking the Add button, the Nepstop.com Shortcut App will be downloaded to your device. Now you can buy and sell easily using the Nepstop Shortcut App on your iOS devices. So by using these simple steps, you can easily download the Nepstop app on your devices and start buying your wholesale goods on Nepstop. Happy shopping! To know more about how to sell your products, become a vendor, add new products, and learn more about Nepstop.com, scan the QR code above to watch the tutorials. Nepstop.com, Nepal's one-stop online platform for all the wholesale products. Thank you.